Hey, it's Consumer Will, and this one's a little different. This is about the, I just put in a new shower head, got it off of Amazon for 40 bucks. It's not like a Moen or anything, but it's ABS. And what's nice is this cord is actually flexes quite nicely, and it is metal. So it moves around quite nicely. The heads move around pretty easily, and there's adjustments on the head. Okay, same thing with the little shower thing, detachable one. Right, so it took me about 10 minutes to put it in. Pretty easy job to do. There's some adjustments here to go, forward, back, that kind of thing. And then this knob here selects whether you want, one head, this head, or like both at the same time. All right, so we're gonna start her up. So this is with the single head on the first notch, right? And there's an actual off feature on the rotation, so you can turn it off. And you can get like shower as massage or massage only. Right? Then if you flip it up, one notch here, then it's the top head. And you can adjust that as well to shower and massage. Okay. Set that up, and then if you flip it all the way, then you got both. That's kind of neat. This is not a bad little unit for 40 bucks. Good job, Amazon. And I ordered it off of Prime. Basically got it like within a day, so pretty good. Thanks for watching.